When the African National Congress was persecuted in South Africa, they went to other countries like Angola, Zimbabwe. When they go Zambia, Lesotho, when they got there, they lived in camps. Those countries, we must be forever grateful that they have given our commanders shelter and protection during that time. But it doesn't mean because some of our leaders was in foreign countries, illegal foreigners must come here and do what they like in South Africa. We understand that you owe them. Now with the GNU, we owe them nothing as the GNU. We can't have illegal foreigners selling drugs to our children. We can't have them taking housing. We can't have them taking jobs that are meant for our people. So I'm asking you, Acting President, we have to act. Otherwise, our children will bow to these illegal people that are in our country. We have nothing against foreigners, but we are a government. We have laws in this country. You must respect our laws. Bakafela Mona, they are busy with prostitution, selling our children. They are selling drugs. They are selling expired food. Our children are dying. We can't allow that anymore.
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Dr. Jones, Wina TV. Please subscribe. Bye for now till we meet again next time. Subscribe, please. Don't forget to like and to comment. Thank you very much.
Dr. Jones, Wina TV.
Goodbye till we meet again next time. Subscribe.